Decoding the Fed, rate cut or market crash. Are you ready for a wild ride? The Federal Reserve's decision looms, and the market is a pressure cooker. We're diving deep into the data, dissecting the risks, and strategizing your next move. Dow futures are signaling caution, while the Nasdaq defies gravity. Oil prices are surging amidst geopolitical tensions. This divergence demands a cautious analytical approach. Retail sales figures have disappointed, and manufacturing data is flashing red. The Empire State Manufacturing Index's dramatic plunge to -20 is a stark warning. Investors are right to be concerned about a potential economic slowdown. Despite the broader market unease, AI stocks continue to demonstrate remarkable resilience. Palantir's PLTR pre-market surge of 1.2% following its recent AI deal underscores the sector's potential. NVDA is also climbing, and BIDU has just unveiled 2 new AI models. This suggests that AI may be a safe haven amidst market volatility. However, proceed with caution and conduct thorough due diligence before investing. Trump's proposed tariffs on steel and aluminum are escalating trade tensions. Canada's retaliatory 25% tariffs on U.S. goods could further destabilize the market. These protectionist measures could derail the current market rally and trigger a global economic slowdown. Investors must closely monitor these developments and adjust their portfolios accordingly. The million-dollar question: is this a buying opportunity, or should investors remain on the sidelines until the Fed speaks? A rate cut could send AI stocks soaring, but a hold could trigger significant market turbulence. Consider a diversified approach, balancing risk and reward. Implement stop-loss orders to protect your capital and be prepared to adjust your strategy based on the Fed's decision. Palantir PLTR has surged over 300% in 2024, fueled by its AI initiatives. But is there still room to run, or are we on the verge of a massive correction? A thorough analysis of Palantir's financials, growth prospects, and competitive landscape is crucial. While the company's AI capabilities are promising, its valuation may be stretched. This is a pivotal moment for the market. The Fed's decision will have far-reaching consequences. A rate cut could fuel inflation, while a hold could trigger a recession. Stay informed, analyze the data, and make informed decisions based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. This is not the time for impulsive actions. Understanding the macroeconomic factors driving market movements is essential for successful investing. Educate yourself on monetary policy, fiscal policy, and global economic trends. Numerous resources are available online, including financial news websites, educational platforms, and investment research firms. Knowledge is your greatest asset in navigating the complexities of the market. The Fed's decision is imminent, and the market is poised for a significant move. Now is the time to take action. Analyze your portfolio, assess your risk tolerance, and develop a clear trading strategy. Don't wait until the dust settles. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Rate cut or no cut? What's your game plan? Smash that like button, SUBSCRIBE for real-time market updates, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a beat. Let's navigate this market volatility together and make informed decisions.